Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please hit the thumbs up, leave your comments, and please subscribe to my channel. Y'all, we got some good news. Possibly something good is about to happen, and I wanted to share it. This is just going to be a short video. I just wanted to share this with you, what I just heard. We may be getting rid of Crazy Nancy. It's a long shot, but it's a shot. Congressman Doug Collins is now pushing for the removal of Speaker of the House Crazy Nancy. Collins said that Crazy Nancy is unfit to lead the House of Representatives. Of course, he's not calling her Crazy Nancy. That's what me and a lot of other people are calling her. This is very good because one or two things could happen with this. We know a lot of Crazy Nancy's House members are turning against her, which is very good. So with this move by Doug Collins, it could either get her out of office, which would be great for everybody concerned, or it could pressure her into getting a stimulus package passed. The way I see it, either way is good with me. Y'all, it's a long shot, but right now we'll take anything, and getting her out of the way would ensure a stimulus package is coming. She has been playing games with the American people long enough. They all been playing games, but Crazy Nancy is the best at it. If he is successful at getting her removed from office, I will stand right back here and dance a jig for y'all. Y'all would see this old white fat man dancing. That's just how happy I would be to see her gone. Y'all, it's a long shot, but it could happen. I just wanted to share this with y'all with this short video. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch the video that's popping up here now and subscribe and give me your thumbs up. I love you all. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will get us through this.